Alright y'all, we're at Stanton River State Park. It's a little rough out here. Just anchored up. Got two pieces of chicken and 2 pieces of cut bait. I don't know, it's like 10 feet deep right here under the boat. About the same where I'm casting, right in this channel. I'm trying to hit this channel ledge, and I don't know if there's anything on there or not, but I'm having a hard time keeping my lines tight because the boat's moving so much. The wind is pushing me side to side. The waves are pushing me this way, which is good, but I'm hoping if something bites, it's going to take off with it. And the line's being taut all the time. Hopefully it doesn't matter, even though I know it does. Wishful thinking. Alright, new tactic. We're gonna be dragging baits. 2 chickens, 2 cut baits, 2 on the bottom. Well, all 4 of them are on the bottom. 2 of them on planer boards. Never drug, well, I've never even put the boat in at this spot before, so I have no idea. Other than looking at Navionics, I have no idea what the bottom looks like. So we might be in for a real pain in the butt. Hopefully we can find at least 1 fish. I just want to catch at least 1 fish while I'm here, other than bait.
3 hours later.
We have drug baits for hours. I got 1 bite on the planer board, but it didn't stick. Didn't seem like a very good bite anyways. But all my dragging has been done in the main channel. When I can find the main channel, Navionics has proved to be extremely unreliable. But right now we're going back into a creek. Rather large creek, but it's got some more structure than the channel. I'm hoping maybe that'll provide. I know one thing, I like the fall, but I cannot stand these days that it's too hot for a jacket, but you need a jacket, because as soon as you take it off, the wind blows and the wind's cold. 1 minute I'm burning up, 1 minute I'm freezing. Like a woman in menopause. Lord have mercy. I complain a lot, but I am having fun, just in case anyone was wondering. I didn't think you were still on, dude. You little fat thing you are. See if we can get another one of those. I know. There you go. Good fish. Can't complain about that. I say that every time, I'm sorry. But you can't complain. Bye-bye. That was on a piece of chicken. Oh. Yeah. Here we go. Maybe I should sit down. Nah. Ooh. I know it's hard to tell on a YouTube video, but this boat is not much wider than a canoe.